Mmm. Mmm.
Okay.
Here, you want some more eggs? Here. Zalia. Zalia, here. Whoa! Here, you. Oh, okay. Hey. Hey. You want some eggs?
He's daydreaming.
Is that yummy? Mmm. Mmm. You see, it's a fork. It picks up food for you and puts it in your mouth. Pick any one you want. Alright, so you keep going after that purple or the flower one. Like it's out of the purple or the flower one. You want the flower one? Okay. Let's put this one up. Oh, you want to wear those shoes? You ready to get dressed? Yes? Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the outfit Zalia picked out. So I was about to change her diaper, obviously to put their clothes on, get a fresh diaper. And she exploded. So I said, Mama. And yeah, she's helping me out because, oh my gosh, it was a lot. Why you poo-pooed on yourself? Jumpers? Is this a jumper or a romper? It's a jumper? You can speak, you know? She says, wait, what's the difference between a jumper and a romper?
Usually a romper is shorts and a jumper is pants.
Look at Girl, you acting like you grown. You picking this out. Yeah, Dada's getting you dressed. You picked out your outfit, huh? Girl, looking like mama, all cute and stuff. This shoe goes on this foot, on your right foot. One on? Okay, you ready? Put your shoe on. Yeah! You want to stand up? Stand up with your back. Okay, you want to stand up? Put your shoes on? Stand up. Stand up. You have your pretty shoes on, Dada. Show me your outfit that you picked out. You gotta pick out a bow now. All right. Oh, you want to tell him? Okay. Bye. She doesn't want a bow. Bye. Hey.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm sitting in the front.
Why?
Because she's been better.
Hey. Oh my gosh.
It's really not that serious.
Yes, it is.
Are you okay?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know how to feel right now.
It's back to normal. Guys, it's
You for real?
stop. You can't do that.
Why, dude? You got your seat. And you look cute too.
Yeah, I did that on purpose.
It's on the front seat. You're not cute on purpose. Oh my god. Look at this. She's in the front seat.